Is bladder training really beneficial? Some people with urinary frequency and overactive bladder might benefit from bladder training, which is to teach your body to respond more appropriately to bladder signals. Some people get in the habit of emptying their bladder before it's full, which can cause your body to start sending out premature alerts to urinate before you really need to do so. Bladder training eliminates these malfunctioning signals by encouraging people to urinate on a schedule, essentially retraining the body to cut down on urinary frequency. Your doctor may recommend bladder training alone or in combination with other therapies. One study found that women ages 55 and older who engaged in bladder training for 6 weeks reduced urine leakage by half when compared with women who didn't do bladder training. If you are interested in giving it a try, start by charting how often you are urinating, and slowly try to increase those intervals in 15-minute increments over time. Documenting your efforts in a journal can help you see if you are making progress. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.